Hi everyone. Today we have got Trevor to talk to about PyTorch. We're down here in San Francisco, and PyTorch Conference 2024 is happening here, and he came and joined us to talk a little bit about PyTorch. So, Trevor,
yes,
let's start off with what's PyTorch?
The million-dollar question. So PyTorch is a deep learning framework that's used and prevalent across machine learning for building and training models.
Okay, so in terms of how people use this, way we describe, because I mean, obviously something to do with machine learning at the moment, but how is this used?
Yeah, so builders can leverage PyTorch on AWS across the entire machine learning lifecycle. So we deeply integrate PyTorch throughout our infrastructure, throughout our services. For example, on Amazon SageMaker, which is an easy-to-use service for building and deploying models, we've integrated PyTorch so customers can take advantage of their custom PyTorch code, their PyTorch workflows on Amazon SageMaker. We also have custom silicon, Trainium and Inferentia, that are optimized for deep learning frameworks like PyTorch. We also have deep learning containers, the deep learning AMI that is optimized and updated with the latest and greatest from PyTorch releases. So customers that want to leverage PyTorch have a great opportunity to do so on AWS.
Awesome. So PyTorch, can you tell us a little bit about the history of it? Like, where did it come from? Like, how did we get where we are today?
Yeah, absolutely. So it's been around a while, actually. It started in 2016 as a project that came out of the Facebook AI research group, FAIR, back in 2016, like I said. And AWS got involved around 2018, 2019 because we saw how popular it was in the research community around AI, ML, and we wanted to provide options to our customers, being customer obsessed, around what framework a customer wanted to leverage as part of their machine learning workflows. So we started working with Facebook/Meta on how to integrate the offering PyTorch into AWS services.
Oh, awesome. So PyTorch, it sounds like, is one of a number of frameworks. Like, why are people using PyTorch versus something else?
Yeah, so PyTorch really stands out in terms of its ease of use and its flexibility. And also it uses, the Python language, which is highly user-friendly. So that's really why it's become very popular. And then PyTorch also supports a robust developer community. So it's an open source project where they're getting contributions from various companies, various stakeholders, developers, et cetera, that can contribute actively and help drive the roadmap around PyTorch.
Oh, awesome. So I'm interested in playing with PyTorch. I want to start, learning about it, or maybe even running it and doing some things with it. Where's the best place to start?
Yeah, so if you go to our website, there's a link in the description of the video. You can get started with PyTorch on AWS today.
Awesome. Well, Trevor, thank you very much. This was awesome that you took the time to come to us. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a like below and subscribe to this channel if you want to see more of this type of content. Thank you.
Thank you.